Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you that how to add custom fonts in PixelLab application. The app link is in the description, so let's get started. Open your phone browser. Now search a font. The website link is in the description. Now you can search your font from here. Click here for download the font. The font has been downloaded. Now open this app. The app link is in the description. Now search your download folder. The font has been extracted. Now open the PixelLab app. Now search your extracted file. Here it is, our custom font. Now you can type here any word. Hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.